Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of those bulk CDs and DVDs that you don't want. There's a few ways you can do it. The first two are what I normally do. Actually, I've been doing the third one more often recently. So the first two are the websites that you can send them to, like Declutter and FYE. They buy CDs and DVDs. All you have to do is scan them into the system, and they'll tell you like 10 cents, 30 cents, whatever they will give you for it. So that's one of the ways. And then I haven't been doing it because I have something wrong with the PDF reader for my account on Declutter. So I'm not really doing very well with that. I can't get the PDFs to open, so I can't print the shipping labels. And then so the other way that you can get rid of them is by taking them to half-price books. All you have to do is grab a cart from inside and load everything on the cart and push them in there, and they will look over everything and give you an offer for everything. I have done okay doing this. I'll take like a flat of CDs and get 20 bucks, and then I took a couple boxes of DVDs and CDs, and they offered me 10. So I'm not really sure. You might want to try taking just like a flat or two to start off. And my thinking is the more that you trade into them, the lower the offer that you get. That's the same thing with Declutter. When you first start scanning CDs and DVDs into the system, they will offer you like 25 cents, 50 cents, and then once you get like over 50 CDs, they'll start offering you 5 cents, 7 cents, and all that. So that's really how you get rid of them. Another way is to sell bulk lots on eBay. I haven't done this because it's just so difficult to you have to take pictures of all of them, unless you do like a random lot. You have to take pictures, and then you have to say what DVDs are in the lot, and then you have to store them. And it's a lot of storage space if you want to store like 100 DVDs, and you have multiple lots of them. So those are the ways you can really get rid of those bulk CDs and DVDs. If you like this video, make sure you like it, and I'll see everyone next time.